Hello, it's the top of TBN once again. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we'll be learning how to make a yoke with an extended shoulder. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow for more videos are coming and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get into the video. I want to make is a long maxi gown with an extended shoulder yoke. I'll be showing us in this video how to manipulate the upper part of any darkless basic bodies into an extended shoulder yoke. You can use it to make any dress or top of your choice, and I'm going to be using this Ankara fabric cutting from T-Bell Fabrics on Instagram. You can check out my page. I also sell Ankara fabrics on Instagram, and I'll be using 3 yards for the lower part and half yard for the upper part. I will need some pins to hold down my fabrics, my tracing wheel, paper and pattern scissors, chalk, my tape rule, eraser, pens and pencil. I will need also a ruler and a French comb for this process. This is the darkless basic bodies that I'll be using to make my yoke. I just need from the shoulder to the bust point, and I'll be needing also a pattern paper for the manipulation. In order for me to get my yoke, I will go ahead to trace my basic bodies both front and back from shoulder to breast point. That is where I want my yoke to stop before the manipulation process. Be doing next now is to manipulate the front and the back yoke that I've traced out to my desired style. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to come up by 2 cm at my center front, side front, center back, side back by 2 cm, because I don't want it to sit exactly on my bust point. I don't want the yoke to be so tight on my bust point. You can leave yours at the bust point, but I want mine to be above the bust point because I want it loose. I don't want it to be too tight. Just to freestyle or anything you want to do. And the next I'm going to be doing is my shoulder. If you look at my design, you can see it came out a little bit at the shoulder, not an extended sleeve. That was why I called it extended shoulder, not sleeve. So I'll be going out or coming up at the shoulder by 4 cm. You can come up by 1, by 2, by 3, but I just decided to come up at the shoulder by 4 cm at both front shoulder and back shoulder. I'm doing this together at the same time for us to see, and I'll be connecting it to my neck point from the 4 cm at the shoulder to my neck point. That is what I will be doing. I'll also be connecting for my center back from my shoulder to my neck point. And the next thing I'll be doing now is to go out at the 4 cm by 5 cm. You can do 8 cm, you can do 6 cm. I just decided to come out by 4 cm. I'm going to be doing this also for my back shoulder. 5 cm at the front, 5 cm at the back, to just get the accurate measurement and shoulder length. Then after this, I'm going to come down by 4 cm. I'm going to come down from the 5 cm, I'm going to come down by 4 cm. I'm also going to do the same thing at the back, 5 cm, from 5 cm to 4 cm. Then what I will be doing next is using my French curve to connect from my new shoulder line to my new shoulder point. You can see how the French curve is sitting, and this is telling me that I should have come out by 1 to 2 cm instead of the 4 cm at shoulder point. So I would advise us to come out by 2 cm instead of 4 cm. Come out by 2 cm, go down by 4 cm. It will be more curvy and nice. Then I will go up at the armhole by 5 cm, then come down at that angle right now by 1 cm to give my armhole a little ease for it not to be too tight. The next thing I will be doing now is using the French curve to connect from the new shoulder point to the 5 cm, then to the 1 cm I did at the side front. This is very simple and easy to make. Very simple, straightforward and easy to make. You can see the way it's looking now is an extended shoulder. It has extended a little bit beyond the shoulder, and I'm going to go ahead to manipulate what I did at the front for the back bodies. The exact manipulation process, no addition, no deduction, just the exact thing. I'm done now, and I just want to check my shoulder length measurement if it matches together, both front and back shoulder length measurements, for me to know if I got it right, and it is exact measurements. And the next thing I'll be doing is just for a quick recap. I came up at the shoulder point by 4 cm, but I will advise us to come up by 2 cm to get that curvy look that I did. And I came out by 5 cm, and I also went down by 4 cm, and I connected my MP to my SP, that is my shoulder point, to my neck point. And at the armhole I came down by 1 cm and also went up by 5 cm, and I connected it. From my bust point I came up by 2 cm. This is pretty much it, what I'm going to be doing for the yoke. The next is to just do a little adjustment to my neck for it not to be too tight. So at the neck point I'm going to be going out by 2 cm, then I'll go down for my neck depth by 2 cm also, and this is what I'm going to be doing for the back, 2 cm 2 cm each, and I'll be connecting it. This is pretty much it, how to do your extended shoulder yoke. I'll be sewing this offline, and I'll be coming back to show you how it looks. The sewing process is very easy to make, and the reason why I'm not showing the cutting or the sewing process is because I'm already late for a program, and this is the dress I'm putting on to the program, so I just have to hurry up in order to meet up with where I'm going to. So guys, this is the finished work. I love the end result. The shoulder came out very nice, and I also made a matching face mask for the dress. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos are definitely coming. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.